Welcome back, flippers and holders, investors and collectors. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a raffle on the Mutants platform. First, what you want to do is head over to Mutant Labs and then click on the raffle section here on the top left. You will see everything that happens here: new raffles, featured raffles, leaderboards. You can look at all the raffles that are going for ADA, native tokens, and join them as you please. Take the gamble and have fun with that. If you want to set up your own raffle, you click here on create raffle. You choose the NFT that you want to raffle away. You set the date you want to your raffle to end. Select the token in which you want the raffle to be paid with, the tickets, the ticket cost, limit per wallet, and max tickets. So we set that to like 10,000 and we say 1. Select the token ADA. You can raffle this away from ADA, and then you see the total pool is 10,000, which means that you can max earn 10,000 ADA on this raffle. After that, click continue. You agree, then click continue again, and then you sign the transaction. After you do this, the raffle is started and there is no way you can get your asset back, and then it's just a matter of waiting until the raffle ends to reap your rewards. That was it. It is pretty simple to set up a raffles, but when you don't know, you don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you did. I really enjoy making these videos to help you guys out, and have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.